Hey guys, guess what? If you look over there, you'll see we're at the Polynesian Cultural Center. This should be fun. Let's go in and take a look.
Welcome to Samoa.
Okay.
So on the right side of the top right of the good.
Okay, thank you.
Beautiful.
We're going to Samoa. Let's check out Samoa.
The wraparound is called the Skiapo or the top of frog. It is made from the bark of the maple mulberry tree. Around is the neck king wears the ulafana, a leg made from the seeds of the bananas tree. Well, we're going to have our women to perform for you a part dance called the Minoi, Minoi, Minoi. Translated, you got to move it, move it. Minoi, 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 Ask Sino, now, Ilo, Baby, Olo, so you saw the bells of telling on top, it was on to a long pizza. So yeah, so bad, my Manila. So yeah, terrible away. I tell you, away. Junkie away. Oh, tell me about it. Tell me about it, let me know, yeah. Me know, yeah. Me know, On your mark, get set, go. 5, 4, come on. Takes 2 hours. I'll do that. Shrink this. It's just on there. Right here. Give it up.